In every office, Goal Systems employees work passionately to achieve their clients' goals. However, like many workplaces today, they were experiencing the negative effects of a fast-paced lifestyle on their team's sleep. This sleep deprivation was taking a toll on their health, performance, and overall well-being. Studies consistently show that better sleep improves mental health, strengthens the immune system, and promotes a more healthy lifestyle. In the workplace, these benefits translate to increased productivity, sharper concentration, and greater efficiency. Improved sleep also fosters better interpersonal relationships, enhances empathy, and strengthens conflict resolution skills. Well-rested employees are more creative and innovative, reaching their full professional potential, enjoying higher job satisfaction, and experiencing reduced stress. Recognizing the critical role of sleep in both physical and mental health, Goal Systems turned to the Sleep Project. Together, we crafted a personalized initiative designed to enhance the quality of sleep for their employees, helping them unlock their full potential. Through workshops, individual coaching sessions, and tailored advice, we equipped Goal Systems team with effective techniques to improve their sleep, enabling them to wake up with more vitality and energy. Our collaboration not only enhanced the quality of life for their employees, but also had a positive impact on productivity and the company's financial health. The success of Goal Systems with our program underscores the transformative power of sleep. Join the Sleep Project program and awaken your potential today.